How are you, dear parents, dear student? Today, the chapter which we are doing, it is journey through the state of water. It is a NCERT class 6 science curiosity. Dear student, in this one, the first question which is there, this it says to you that let us enhance our learning. Which of the following best describe condensation? So we are basically talking about this one, that what is condensation. So the correct answer is option number 4, the conversion of water vapor into liquid state. It is said to be the condensation. Now the next one, it says which part identify in which of the following process evaporation is important. Evaporation is important in coloring with watercolors and writing on paper with ink pen. So these are the two options which are totally correct over here. When we see, next question is, when we see green colored plastic grass at many places these days, space around natural grass feels cooler than the space around the plastic grass. Can you find why? Answer is natural grass produces a cooling effect through the process of transpiration and evaporation. Natural grass, it absorbs moisture from air, and this water then evaporate by absorbing heat from the surrounding. The temperature of the surrounding, it decreases when the water evaporates, which create a cooling effect. On the other hand, plastic grass, it does not exhibit these properties. So the next question after this, dear parents, it's for you and the students. It says, give example of liquid other than the water which evaporate. So the correct answer is, some example are alcohol, oil, petrol, acetone, sanitizer, and milk. After this one, we are having the next one. A fan moves air around, creating a cooling sensation. It might seem strange to use a fan to dry wet clothes, since a fan usually make things cooler, not warmer. Normally, when the water evaporates, it requires heat, not cooled water. What do you think about this? The rate of evaporation, it increases when the air is moving. When we turn on the fan, the air moving across the wet cloth carry away the water vapor from them, creating a drier environment around the cloth. This airflow helps to reduce the humidity and hence speeds up the rate of evaporation. This helps in drying the cloth under the fan. Next question is, usually when sludge is removed from the drain, it is left in heaps next to the drain for 3 or 4 days. Afterward, it is transported to a garden or a field where it can be used as a manure. This approach reduces transportation cost of the sludge and enhances the safety of individual handling it. Reflect upon it and explain how. The sludge, answer is, read this one. The sludge removed from the drain is wet, and leaving them next to the drain for 3 or 4 days helps water evaporate from it. This process makes the sludge lighter and easier to transport. As a result, transportation cost is also reduced. Now after this one, observe the activity in your house for a day and identify the activities that involve evaporation. How does understanding the process of evaporation help us in our daily activities? Some daily activities that involves evaporation is drying cloth, cooling of the milk, mopping the floor, sweating, and cooking. Knowing that the water evaporates faster in sunlight and with increased air movement, and that the rate of evaporation decreases with higher humidity, it helps us in our daily activities. Now after this one, how is water present in solid state? Water present in solid state as a glacier, snow, sea, frost, ice caps, hail. After that one, reflect upon the statement. It is actually the importance of water. Water is our responsibility before it is our right. Share your thought. The statement water is our responsibility before it is our right emphasize that excess of water is a basic human right as it is essential for drinking and other daily activities. However, with the rise in population, the demand for the water is increasing. Therefore, it is crucial to use water wisely and avoid wasting it. It is also our responsibility to keep water bodies free from pollution. The next one, it says that last question is this: the seat of a two wheeler parked on a sunny day has become very hot. How can you cool it down? So, the seat of the two wheeler parked on a sunny day can be cooled down by sprinkling water on it or keeping wet cloth on the seat. The water evaporate, absorbing the heat from the seat, thereby cooling it down. Thank you, dear student, and have a nice day. Great learning. Thank you.